Retinol is a buzzword in the skincare world, and for a good reason. This powerhouse ingredient, derived from vitamin A, has earned its reputation as one of the most effective solutions for achieving radiant, youthful, and healthy skin. Whether you're battling acne, wrinkles, or uneven skin tone, retinol is your secret weapon. Here's a deep dive into what makes retinol so special and how it can transform your skin. 1. Fights acne and breakouts. If you struggle with acne, retinol can be a game changer. It works by unclogging pores and preventing the buildup of dead skin cells that often lead to breakouts. Its anti-inflammatory properties reduce redness and swelling, helping your skin heal faster. Retinol is particularly effective for stubborn blackheads and whiteheads, offering a clearer complexion over time. 2. Reduces wrinkles and fine lines. One of retinol's most celebrated benefits is its ability to reduce signs of aging. It stimulates collagen production, a protein responsible for keeping skin firm and elastic. As we age, collagen levels naturally decrease, leading to sagging skin and wrinkles. Retinol not only boosts collagen, but also improves skin cell turnover, making fine lines and wrinkles less noticeable. The result? A youthful, plump appearance. 3. Evens. Out skin tone. Hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and uneven skin tone can make your complexion look dull and tired. Retinol fades these discolorations by speeding up cell turnover and promoting the growth of new, healthy skin cells. Over time, you'll notice a more even, radiant complexion that glows from within. 4. Enhances skin texture, bumpy. Rough skin can feel frustrating and difficult to manage. Retinol smooths skin texture by encouraging the shedding of dead cells and boosting the growth of fresh ones. The exfoliating properties of retinol work at a deeper level compared to traditional scrubs or exfoliants, leaving your skin silky and soft. 5. Boosts radiance. If dullness is your primary concern, retinol is the answer. By increasing cell turnover, it reveals brighter and healthier skin. Regular use of retinol ensures that your complexion stays luminous, even if environmental factors like pollution or stress threaten to dull it. 6. Minimizes pores. Large, visible pores can make your skin look uneven and oily. Retinol works by reducing sebum production and tightening the skin around your pores. While it won't completely eliminate pores, nothing can. It will significantly reduce their appearance, giving you a smoother, more refined look. 7. Treats sun damage. Years of sun exposure can leave your skin with sunspots, rough patches, and uneven tone. Retinol can help repair these damages by promoting the growth of new cells and reducing pigmentation. It's like a second chance for your skin, helping it recover from past mistakes. 8. Encourages long-term skin health. What sets retinol apart from many other skincare ingredients is its ability to improve skin health over time. It strengthens your skin's protective barrier, making it more resilient to environmental stressors like pollution and UV rays. Additionally, it can boost the absorption of other beneficial ingredients in your skincare routine, making your entire regimen more effective. How to use retinol safely. While retinol offers numerous benefits, it's crucial to use it correctly to avoid irritation. Start slowly. Begin with a lower concentration, 0.25% to 0.5%, and use it 1 to 2 times a week to build tolerance. Moisturize generously. Retinol can be drying, so pair it with a hydrating moisturizer to prevent flakiness. Use sunscreen. Retinol makes your skin more sensitive to the sun, so always wear SPF during the day. Be patient. Results take time. Expect to see noticeable improvements in 8 to 12 weeks. Who should avoid retinol? While retinol is a versatile ingredient, it's not for everyone. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should steer clear of retinol due to its potential effects on fetal development. If you have extremely sensitive or compromised skin, consult a dermatologist before introducing retinol into your routine. Retinol is truly a skincare superstar, capable of tackling a wide range of skin concerns, from acne and aging to dullness and discoloration. With consistent use and proper care, this ingredient can unlock your skin's full potential, leaving you with a radiant, youthful glow. Ready to take your skincare journey to the next level? Don't miss out on more tips, tricks, and product recommendations. Subscribe now for more engaging content to help you achieve your skin goals.